Hey, it's DoSe here again. I just wanted to show y'all a few things that I was doing, and I promised y'all I would show y'all prior to me going to work today. So on one of my last videos, I told y'all I was going to start my garden in my kitchen since it was, it's wintertime, it's getting cold outside. So I promised y'all I would show y'all my what I was growing. So I replanted, I hope y'all can see this. I replanted lettuce, right? So I just took a little container. I think I bought it from maybe Ross. But when I cut off my lettuce, I cut it up, you see my stalk, and it has already started growing back. It's been about a week. So I wanted to see if it would, start growing. This was romaine. This was romaine. And this was what is it? The big head of lettuce, like the cabbage. Iceberg. This was iceberg, but if you can see, the iceberg is not doing too well, but the romaine the organic is really growing. So I don't know if it's because it's organic that it's doing so well or what, but anyways, this is my jalapeno plant, and I just took jalapeno seeds from the jalapenos that I was growing outside. Get down, Kobe. And I it was just dirt and seeds. And if you can see, it is really growing. So I did my jalapenos. And last night, I just planted my cucumbers. So I'm hoping that my cucumbers will take off just like my lettuce and my jalapenos. The jalapenos have been growing for about maybe 3 weeks now, maybe a little bit longer. I'm not for sure. But yeah. So I'm hoping the cucumber take off. If the cucumber take off, I'm just gonna, like you do the excuse me, like you do the vines. I'm just gonna let it grow up and fall over. I got a bookshelf there. I'm gonna let it grow down the side of, because cucumbers, surprisingly, it do vine. So they like vine, and they go down because they're so heavy. The gravity pulls them down. So if y'all seen my last cucumbers, I ate my last one maybe about a month ago. So I let my seeds dry out for about 2 weeks. And then I put them in a paper towel, covered them, and now I think they're ready to start germinating. So I put them all in the mason jar. So this has been DoSe with another dose of living with my gardening. All right, so I will talk to you all later. DoSe out.